Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy without flour. We will explore simple methods to achieve a rich, flavorful sauce using common kitchen ingredients. You'll learn about effective thickeners and easy steps to create a perfect gravy for any meal. Get ready to transform your pan drippings into a delicious, smooth accompaniment that everyone will love. There are excellent ways to thicken gravy without flour. Cornstarch, mixed with a little cold water to form a slurry, is a popular choice, giving a clear, glossy finish. Arrowroot powder works similarly, providing a smooth texture. Alternatively, simply reducing your pan drippings over heat concentrates their flavor and naturally thickens the sauce beautifully. To begin, separate excess fat from your pan drippings, leaving about 2 tablespoons for flavor. Heat the drippings gently. If using a thickener like cornstarch, slowly whisk in your slurry, a little at a time, until the gravy reaches your desired consistency. Continue to simmer for 1 to 2 minutes, allowing it to thicken and become smooth. For the best flavor, remember to taste and season your gravy generously with salt and pepper. If it's too thick, add a splash of broth or water. If too thin, whisk in a bit more thickener. Serve your delicious, flour-free gravy immediately to enjoy its warmth and perfect texture alongside your favorite dishes. It's truly that simple.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.